How to connect Namecheap domain to Vercel. So hello guys, so welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your specific project that you want to connect your Namecheap domain to. So for example, we have this one. Click on domains over here on the top right, and you should be able to see this domain page over here. Now these are currently attempts to connect it, but I didn't process this. But what we're going to do is just simply going to click on add over here on the top right, and you're just simply going to copy your domain name over here, paste it in your domain, click on add domain, fix it if there's some spacing. And as you can see here, select how you want it to access or how you want it to perform. So for example, I'm just going to do this one for now. Click on add, and it will check your domain status, and it will identify if there are some invalid records that you want or you need to add. So simply go over here, click on manage, and we're just simply going to add some DNS over here. So if you click on advanced DNS, find servers or servers here. So let me just find our records for a bit. Now, if you can't find the DNS thing that we are trying to look for, like this one. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to transition to name servers instead. So we're going to click on enable name servers. And we're just going to go into our domain here in the same Namecheap domain. Click on name servers and click on custom DNS over here. And we will be provided with this one over here. So you're simply going to copy that and paste them over here. As you can see, click on check, and you should be able to set your name service over here. After this, if you go back here, if you click on refresh, it will try and attempt to connect it once again. But of course, you need to have this. So let's try it again here. You're just going to simply wait for it to apply. As you can see, depending on your provider, it might take some time for the DNS record to apply. So simply wait it out, maybe a few minutes or up to an hour, and it should then be able to, as you can see here, connect your domain from our Namecheap over here to Vercel. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.